respected State President Dr. Abraham Varghese, National President-elect Dr. Rajeev Jayadevan, senior doctors, mentors, colleagues and friends. It is my pleasure and privilege to introduce our incoming State President Dr. Abraham Varghese. Dr. Abraham Varghese started his professional career as RMO at the famous MAJ Hospital, Edapalli, after graduating from Alappuzha Medical College. Subsequently, he trained at the Central Labour Institute at Mumbai, obtaining a postgraduate diploma in industrial health. Dr. Abraham Varghese was employed in some of the largest industries in the state of Kerala, namely Indian Aluminum Company, Binani Zinc Limited, and even the Naval Armament Depot. He also served as the medical superintendent of Medical Trust Hospital for a period of 2 years. At this point, Dr. Abraham Varghese is the medical officer at IMA Cochin Blood Bank. Besides being a leader and activist of the Indian Medical Association, Dr. Abraham Varghese is also active with the GP Association, having served as the president of its Cochin chapter. Dr. AV is an authority on occupational health and safety and is also active with the National Safety Council. He is the Vice Chairman of IMAGE. I had the opportunity to interact with Dr. Abraham Varghese over the past several years. In fact, he recruited me to IMA, and as an executive member, I served under him when he was the president of the Cochin branch. That year, Dr. Abraham Varghese was adjudged the best president at the national level. That shows his capacity of leadership and team building, and after 43 years, a leader from the Cochin branch is becoming the state president. On a personal note, as a relatively junior person in IMA, I have always been impressed by Dr. AV's honesty and his upright attitude. He is never afraid to point out a problem if you find one. What is equally impressive, however, is Dr. AV's ability and interest in listening to an opposing viewpoint, and even better, his graciousness in changing his own opinion if he was proved wrong following a healthy discussion. I believe that this quality of genuinely understanding the opposing viewpoint is an extremely rare character that makes him a born leader in the long term. Dr. Abraham Varghese is consistently respectful of his seniors, which again is a quality that many juniors like me admire. He is a man of his word. He likes to keep time and conducts meetings in an efficient manner. Whenever we call Dr. AV by phone, it is heartening to hear the same cheerful voice showing genuine interest and affection, which again is a rare quality. You can hear his smile through his voice at the other end of the phone. Dr. AV and I, we laugh really hard. We both share a good sense of humor. Dr. AV is a team builder, a good judge of character. He believes that Indian Medical Association must continue to attract doctors from younger generations so that there's a blend of the experience of the seniors and the energy of the youth. Dr. AV is very much a family person. His wife, Mrs. Anita, is the Vice Principal of Pharmacy College, Lizzie Hospital. He has 2 daughters who are married and settled. He also has 3 grandchildren. Great leaders have the ability to speak great words that inspire other people. One of the great words I remember him saying, which struck me profoundly and I've taken it up in my career, is the following statement. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Abraham Varghese said, "Nothing worthwhile was ever achieved without enthusiasm." How true a statement is that? Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together and welcome our new President, Dr. Abraham Varghese.
Thank you, Dr. Rajeev.